What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the issue when your Discord microphone is not working on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, make sure that your mic is connected to your PC and open up your sound settings by right-clicking the sound icon in your taskbar and selecting Open Sound Settings, or simply search for sound in your Start menu search. On this window, make sure to set the output and input device to your main device. Click on your main input and output device, and under General, click on Allow. Below, make sure that your input sound volume is not muted, and under Enhance Audio, make sure to disable this option for your output device, as it can mute some output devices using the unofficial version of Windows 11. When this is done, navigate back to your main sound settings. Scroll down and select More Sound Settings under your Advanced Settings section. A new window will open up. This is the sound control panel you should be familiar with from Windows 10. Under Playback, you can disable all other devices you wish not to use, and then double-click your main device. Under Advanced, make sure that these two exclusive mode options are checked. This will allow Discord to take control of some settings regarding your audio. Click on OK and make sure to repeat this step with your recording device. Under Recording, double-click your microphone. In the General tab, make sure that the Device Usage option is set to use this device. Under Listen, disable the Listen to this device option. Under Levels, make sure that the output sound level is set to at least 50%. And lastly, under Advanced, these two options should be checked. Don't forget to apply your changes, and then you can close this window. Also, testing your microphone with another application, such as Skype, can help you out a lot in figuring out if the issue is related to Discord or your hardware. After tweaking your settings, you can close this window and search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On this window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Here, right-click the input sound device you prefer to use. Select Update Driver, and make sure to search automatically for drivers. This will take a minute to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. You can now close this window and open up Discord. From here, navigate to your user settings and under Voice and Video, make sure that the input and output device is set to your default device. Make sure to test your mic's input level using the integrated mic test and adjust your volume using this input volume slider. By now, you should be able to see this green indicator when talking into your microphone. Below, under Advanced, make sure to toggle the Noise Suppression option off and on again. Do the same with your voice processing options, as these can, for some users, mute their input sound device when using Discord on Windows 11. In case nothing helps, then make sure to completely exit out of the application. The Discord icon should not pop up in your system tray, and you should exit the Discord processes in your Task Manager. Simply search for Task Manager in your Start menu search. In the Processes tab, make sure to locate every Discord task. Right-click it and select End Task. When this is done, search for Update to open up your Search for Updates System Settings window. Here, make sure to download the latest update and restart your PC after the download is complete. This will make sure that Windows 11 is utilizing the appropriate drivers to run Discord and pick up your mic's input. As a last resort, you should consider reinstalling Discord to your system, preferably to another drive. This should only take a few minutes to complete. In case nothing helped you out, then I suggest using the Sound Troubleshooter in your sound settings. Navigate back to your sound settings. In this window, under Advanced, select Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems for input devices. This will take some time to detect and resolve common problems with your microphone on Windows 11. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.